Are you tired of missing out on lucrative wholesale deals right under your nose? Today, I'm going to show you how to use Zillow like a pro to find motivated sellers and close wholesale deals first. Head over to Zillow.com. The key to wholesaling on Zillow is identifying properties with potential distress signals. Start by setting your search filters, narrow down your target area and set a price range that reflects potentially undervalued properties. Critically, in the keywords section, type in terms like fixer-upper, needs TLC, handyman special, or motivated seller. These keywords often indicate a seller who is ready to negotiate. Scan the listings that appear and look for properties with visible signs of disrepair. Overgrown lawns, peeling paint, and boarded-up windows are all red flags signaling a potential wholesale opportunity. Click on the listing to learn more. Now, examine the listing details. Pay close attention to the days on Zillow. A property sitting on the market for an extended period suggests the seller might be more willing to accept a lower offer. Also, review the price history. Have there been multiple price drops? That's another sign of a motivated seller. Your next step is to reach out to the listing agent. You can find their contact information directly on the Zillow listing page. Craft a professional and straightforward email or phone call, expressing your interest and inquiring about the seller's situation and flexibility. Remember to build rapport and understand their needs. Don't immediately jump into a lowball offer. Negotiate fairly, keeping in mind your profit margin and potential buyer pool. By leveraging Zillow's search filters, property details, and contact information, you can consistently find and close wholesale deals. So, go out there and start Zillow investing today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate wholesaling tips.